Hello guys, LifeHackster here. About 3 to 4 weeks ago, I've been browsing YouTube Shorts or one of those Instagram Reels, and I guess I watched one of those sponsored videos of this Noorio brand camera. And I might have watched it all the way through, that after that, almost all the ads that pop up when I browse the internet is about this camera. So I guess you can say that this advertising worked because I bought one. Anyways, we'll check this Noorio B310 model, which has a spotlight. Just browsing on their site, especially in this free local storage graphics they use, looks like the ad copy of Eufy. And you will see later on that there are a lot of similarities. So the spotlight is 600 lumens bright, and they said on their site that the color temperature is adjustable, which I cannot find this setting in their app. Local built-in on the camera itself, 16 gigabytes of storage. And they also have an optional cloud recording. It records in 2K quality, 2560 by 1440 pixel resolution at 15 frames per second in both daytime and at night. It has person detection as to AI, no pets or vehicle detection. This has a built-in battery and connects directly to the internet. It has an option to be integrated with their home base though, which I might need to check out in my future videos. This is designed for outdoors with an IP66 rating and Amazon Alexa compatible. Now, I didn't really find any specific specs on their website. On their Amazon listing though, it states that it has a 140-degree diagonal field of view and it connects only to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and battery life up to 6 months. Inside the box, you will get some paperwork, mounting template, window sticker, and a quick start guide. This model is not magnetic like their other ones, and it comes with a screw-on adjustable mount. We have a short USB-C cable to charge this built-in battery, mounting screws and anchors, and we have the camera itself. I can tell you, build quality is about the same as a Eufy camera. We have the camera lens, PIR sensor, mic, status light and light sensor, and infrared LED somewhere around. And we got a ring light. On the back, we have a 1/4-20 screw mount. We have a sync button and a rubber flap that covers the USB-C port. And on the bottom here is the speaker. Let's set this up. Download, sign up, and log into the Noorio app. Click Setup a device. Scan the QR code which is on the back of the camera. Click Next. Name your camera. Type in your Wi-Fi info. Hold the sync button for 2 seconds. Click Next. Click Join. And wait until it is added successfully. Time to install this. Unscrew the base of the mount and screw it in onto the wall with the 2 included screws. Screw in the mount and screw in the camera to the mount and position it in place. Let's check these settings in the app. Open up the app and you will see the snapshot from the camera. In here, you will also have a glance on the Wi-Fi signal and battery life. Click on it to get to live view, which loads up okay. Not that quick. In here, you can record the live view, start two-way talk, which is full duplex, or take a snapshot. In the bottom, we have events, and this is where you can download the footage. You can listen in, manually sound the siren, or turn on the spotlights. Click the gear icon to get to the camera settings. Turn the camera on or off, and in smart detection, regular motion detection has a separate toggle from person detection, and you can adjust the sensitivity. Now, if you turn on motion detection, you will have access to motion zones, where you can add up to 3 zones. I just have person detection on during my testing. In the video settings, we have HDR or high dynamic range. We have video mode. Full color is when motion is detected at night, then the spotlight will turn on. And we have the traditional black and white night vision. And we have forced color where both the spotlights and infrared LEDs are off. We have notification. It has rich notifications, which I turned on. Power management. We have the battery level and we have battery saving mode. Optimized, or you can adjust the length of the recording up to 120 seconds per event. And also you can dial the retrigger time from 5 seconds to a minute. Privacy and security. You can set up privacy zones up to 2 of them. Storage, you will see the status and you can clear or format it from here. And also I'm going to show you that it has home and away modes. And it has a security tab in the bottom like the Eufy app, where you can schedule the mode or use geofencing. And you can change the settings on each mode. Time to do some testing.
This is the video and audio quality of the Noorio B310 and the HDR is off and video clarity test at 10 feet, 15, 20, 5, 30. So this is the video quality of the Noorio B310 at night, and this with the spotlight turned on, and this is what it looks like at 10 feet, 15, 20, 25, 30. So this is the video quality of the Noorio B310 at night, and this with the spotlights turned off, and there's two infrared LEDs. And this is what it looks like at 10 feet, 15, 20, 25, 30.
We are going to test the motion alert notification speed of the Noorio B310, and I'm on my LTE connection and it's 432. Let's check it out. Status light turned on. There you go, pretty quick. When you press and hold, you'll get a snapshot preview. I have reach notifications turned on, and when you click on it, it should get you to live view. Alright, so it just turned to 4:34. It's still been less than a minute. Let's see what the notification cool off. By the way, you can set the retrigger time on this one as low as I think 5 seconds. So it should notify us again. The notification is pretty quick. Cool. We are going to test the maximum detection distance of the Noorio B310. I've set the sensitivity to the highest and person detection only. And because this is a PIR sensor, I'll be surprised that it's gonna get triggered at 40 feet. So no. How about 35? Not at 35. Let's go 30. Nope, not at 30. Let's go 25. Yeah, I saw it. 25 feet. I saw the status light turned on. Cool. We are going to test how soon the Noorio B310 is gonna start recording when the motion is going towards it. Oh, there you go. It just turned. It's a little bit late. There you go. Not bad. Cool.
This is the audio quality coming out from the Noorio B310 camera. This is the audio quality coming out from the Noorio B310 security camera.
So what do you think? Video and audio quality is okay, and it really reminds me of a Eufy camera. I think the color night vision and the infrared recording could be better though, especially for a 2K camera. Person detection is pretty spot on, but I noticed that the PIR sensor is not as sensitive even on the highest sensitivity. And I'm not sure why you lose motion zones if you only have person detection toggled to on. I did test though with motion detection also turned on, and I didn't get any false notifications in my backyard anyways, which is a good thing. But its detection range is just around 25 feet. I do want to compare this to a Eufy camera though, and I think the S40 or the L40. Comment down below if you want me to. Currently, Noorio just have battery-powered cameras, a home base, solar panel, and motion sensor, which I have a feeling that they will expand their product line in the near future. They have pretty aggressive advertising in social media anyways. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.